Serious flash flood warning. Nothing like that for us. In fact, we're going to be hard pressed to find a lot of rain in the coming days as an upper high has dominated our area. We started this weekend, although we were able to squeeze out a few showers and thunderstorms and have a few on radar right now. Some decent cooling downpours across the Mississippi coast. I don't think anyone in coastal Mississippi right now upset with these downpours. They've actually kind of extended into parts of central St. Tammany, just to the south of Folsom now, and also a few scattered thunderstorms in parts of, say, just north of Hammond. I don't know what, I'm just all over the place right now. You can see that it is Monday, very much. This is the Mondayest of all Mondays. We have those thunderstorms moving south, but it doesn't look like they're going to hang together as they move toward the city. And in fact, a lot of these showers will be winding down. We may get some of the cloud cover in the next couple of hours. 95 degrees was our high today. Thankfully, while hot, nowhere near the record of 101 set on this date back in 2009. And we were able to get into the upper 70s in the metro area early this morning. Right now, a lot of sunshine over downtown, 94 degrees with a heat index of 105. And we are expecting another very hot day tomorrow. Another heat advisory will be in effect. Rain, cool temperatures in the 70s or low 80s along the Mississippi coast. Otherwise, we are still in the mid and even some upper 90s. And with dew points in the 70s, that sends our heat indices well into the triple digits. And we will likely see a repeat. The trigger for us, southeast Louisiana, southern Mississippi, for a heat advisory is a heat index of 108. And we are anticipating that. As a matter of fact, anticipating more along the lines of 111 during the day tomorrow. So use caution if you are going to be outdoors for any length of time. And really, I don't see that changing until about Thursday, when our rain chances will improve. Not much of a wind outside. With that upper high, we generally see fairly light winds, so not a whole lot of a breeze at the moment. Upper high has started to shift a little bit more, at least the center of it, to our west, but we are still very much in the grips of that. However, what it does do, these are air temperatures, not heat indices. Look at Lincoln, Nebraska, 103. Dodge City, Kansas is 98. That's drier air, though, so it warms more efficiently. But underneath that high, boy, the temperatures spike. And we're still very much in control of that high, although the center of it is a little bit more to our west. By the Wednesday, Thursday time frame, we're going to see some upper troughing that will kind of push the upper high a little bit more to our west and actually allow for a chance for some showers. Briefly, then we're back to the upper high building once again right over us, and that will continue the heat through the rest of the week, weekend, and next week. So the heat risk outlook, which takes into account temperatures above normal, the heat index, the duration of those type of temperatures, and we are looking at more extreme levels in the next couple of days. So again, especially for sensitive folks, use caution if you have to be outdoors, and really no signs of this changing anytime soon. Our temperature outlook, I don't know what happened to my data here, does call for a high likelihood of temperatures to stay above normal right through now, the 4th of July. So no breaks in this high coming anytime soon. Now, even with the upper high, and as I'd mentioned, we're kind of more on the outer periphery of it, which will allow for a few showers and thunderstorms to kind of move within that pattern. And that's what happened during the day today. Had a little weak complex move through, helped our rain chances. Again, with plenty of Gulf moisture and daytime heating, can't rule out a few stray showers, but it does look like the better chance of rain in the coming days comes on Thursday with a little complex of storms, which might actually help to keep our temperatures down a bit. Only area that the Hurricane Center is now monitoring for any potential development, and this one is given a low potential, is still way out past Trinidad and Tobago. So this is out in the southern Atlantic. This one, as it moves across the Caribbean, has a chance as it moves closer to, say, the western Caribbean and moving toward the Bay of Campeche, a chance for development, although that chance wouldn't come in until late this weekend and early next week. Remember the upper high building in on top of us? It would keep this system as well down to our south. That two areas on Friday we were monitoring, the one in the Bay of Campeche, the one off the East Coast, neither of them developed into anything. So as we continue along, the tropics remain fairly quiet, although it is still early in the season. High temperatures lower, some mid-90s. We'll keep a 30% chance, kind of like we saw today. A few pop-up showers, thunderstorms could bubble up. Better opportunity, about a 50 to 60% chance on Thursday with that upper disturbance. Then the upper high builds back over us, and I don't foresee much in the way of rain as we head into the weekend and continuing early next week.